Hey.
I'm coming down the highway. I'm like, man, look, PJ, I'm going to the airport. Trying to keep it informed. I like that. I like that.
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
I like that. That was nice. That was nice.
You guys are so handsome.
Doing good.
You down here seeing the sights, huh?
Taking it all in, man. Last year here, got to take it all in again.
You gotta do it.
Absolutely. Hey, just wanted to say hey to a familiar face.
All right.
He's convinced me. What's up, Jimmy?
Hey.
How you doing, man?
Jimmy, hey, how are you?
Good to see you.
You too.
What up, though?
What up?
Morning. Hold on, he was on time.
Oh man, on time. Not on polo time, but on time. Y'all be on time.
He be on time, man. On time. It's day 2, people. Let's get it. We in here, Super Chef. We want to see what you talking about. I already know what PJ gonna order. Anything that got to do with Wonder Woman.
Good to meet everybody. Darnell, one of the owners here.
How you doing, Brandon?
Fantastic. Big up for coming out, man.
Now I'm the one that lives here.
Oh, okay. You don't have a brother.
That's what I
Appreciate it, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. Anything when you hear, let us know. Thanks for bringing them out, man. Appreciate it a lot.
Just like that.
On point.
On point. All the way on point. All right, let's go get some work done. We get to this GIE real quick. Go play with some big boy toys. A little something. Check out in a minute.
Man, we having a blast. It was raining. But the sun came out. We came out at the right time. Y'all see this, man.
You see it.
Y'all see this.
Y'all see
We
it.
just getting started, baby.
Yeah, we just getting started.
I just killed this right here. This thing right here. This
The little electric thing over there.
those things actually do get up.
They get
I
up.
mean, they roll, man. They
Yeah.
roll.
So, Polo, how do you feel about these electric autonomous mowers, man?
I don't like them.
You don't like them?
I don't like them.
That's threatening.
Very.
Threatening.
Now, the only way I can be able to use that to my advantage is if I'm mowing one lawn and then I'm putting my electric mower to go mow another.
There we go. So you make it work.
I'm gonna make it work.
We're gonna make it work.
do what it do, baby.
Yeah, because he gonna still be working.
I'm gonna be working.
He gonna be working.
Working smart, too.
Y'all know I ran to Ryan
the past 2 seasons doing air raid and seating. So it might be time for an upgrade.
All right, so we just got done crushing outside. What y'all got for it?
I'm sorry, I let the people down.
You ain't break nothing,
I
Cam.
ain't break nothing.
You ain't break nothing, Cam.
Hey man, I guess they had their research and development together. I couldn't break nothing.
I ain't break nothing. I wasn't trying to break nothing. I was just trying to get on some stuff.
Yeah.
And I did.
And if you wondering where B. Davis at, he got locked up.
He got,
Yeah,
they got
he
him.
really did.
They
He
got
really
him.
was trying to break.
Yeah, they locked him up over there at, what was that?
Skag.
Skag, yeah.
Skag.
Skag locked him up.
Free B. Davis.
Yeah, free B.
Right.
Davis.
This is a heck of a machine right here. This is a heck of a machine right here. A lot of people want this. A lot of people want it.
How's your GIE experience been?
Well, I've been stuck with a couple tools the whole time.
Let me tell you how my GI experience has been.
Tell me about it.
I have been tracking down, we working all day long, and they'd be like, oh, Rob's like, I'm outside. So we're like, all right, we're coming outside. And then Rob's like, no, we're actually on the other side of the building. So we're like, all right, we're to the other side of the building. Literally all day, about to close, finally found you guys. So
Finally found you.
I'm happy.
It worked out.
Better late than never.
Yeah, better late than never.
TikTok at work is bashing your wife, making your wife
Get
look
that on
stupid.
Yeah?
That's how you succeed in TikTok. You make a video making fun of your wife, triggering her to do laundry, and people eat that stuff up.
There you go. That's the
TikTok success.
Okay, so this is
Trick
the,
her into doing laundry.
this is the TikTok guru.
I don't think that you quite understand what's going on there, but we'll just leave that alone. The way to succeed on TikTok is do something oddly satisfying and stupid and confuse people so they ask a bunch of questions in the comments. That's how you win.
That's how you win. All right.
Heard it here first.
We need advice from you.
Oh,
Video.
How do you win? How do you win on YouTube?
how do you win on YouTube? You don't care what anyone says, and you just do your thing, and just keep doing it. And people comment, and they don't like what you're doing. Be nice to them and move on. And keep doing your thing.
Boom. There it is.
That's all that matters. That's life in general, actually.
That's yeah, I agree.
And just keep working.
So she shows me how to do all the laundry.
Keep working, because we're working.
Hey,
Walk away.
We working.
we working.
We working.
We.
In there.
Yeah.
In there.
Parting words?
There's an old saying, domino gets go. Once you go, you come back, you make friends, you live like that. See you later.
We working.